I'm confident that with the new board at Symmetry, with the world-class auditor, the issuer, the company will follow the regulatory things in mind, all the listing regulation that they need to follow, and my suggestion would be to follow. That's the only way to grow. This will not only help the company, but will eventually provide maximum return for the shareholders, and sponsors are the largest shareholders. So any improvement in shareholders well, so it's a win-win for the minority shareholders and for the sponsor shareholder. So lastly, I would like to thank the exchange, Farouk and his team, especially Ahmed Abbas and his team to help us over the years to get the approval, SCCP, the Commissioner Rahman Warait, Sajjad and his team, Central Depository Company who helped a lot in generating huge IPO response in the retail IPO through the e-IPO of PSX and CDC. We got 2,600 investors. So this is again for a company, small company like Symmetry, that's a big achievement that 2,600 plus investors subscribe to this IPO. And I think this will go a long way increasing the investor base at Pakistan Stock Exchange, and especially at a time when investors are shy from investing at the stock exchange. These 2,600 shareholders will play a crucial role in the development of the capital market. Lastly, as I mentioned, the top line is dedicated to develop the capital markets. We have been pioneers in introducing new IPOs, new sukuks, new bond issues, and hopefully our commitment, our passion for the capital market will continue. So good luck for Symmetry and have a good day. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Sohail. And as you mentioned, we also look forward to Symmetry continuing its connectivity with these investors. Once you're listed, it is very important to keep that connection with your investors through corporate analyst briefings and communication about how your company is doing. Because they are investors, you have to share your progress, your plans, and you have to take care of them and keep them updated all the time. So it's not compliance as such. Compliance is important because of the importance of the investors. They have shown confidence in your company. So you must respect that and keep them updated and stay connected. Another aspect I would like to bring to the fore is that how the tech sector is taking the brand value scene also, since we have some brand and marketing companies here, and the Pakistan Advertising Society team is also here. I think with the capital market, the tech sector is dominating. However, if you look at the top 100 global brands, there also the technology sector dominates. 100 top brands by value for 2023 begin with technology companies in the first four, and then there's Walmart at number 5. So with that, Amazon, Apple, Google, and Microsoft together, they are 19% of the total brand value at $891 billion, and it's followed by the retail sector at 15%. So that is the importance. It's not just the investment scene, but it's in the brands also, that these brands have a high equity. And brand equity actually commands a price premium also. So with that, I would like to now invite the CEO of Symmetry Group Limited, Mr. Sarosh Ahmed, to talk about his company, his views on listing of Symmetry Group on PSX. Sarosh, please join us.
Thank you, Radha. First of all, I would like to welcome all of you. So if I look 20 years back when we started off this company, we had a very meager capital. We had no resources and very less experience, I must say. But we had a vision and we had a passion, a vision to transform the marketing industry in Pakistan. And I can proudly say that we have done that. Today, digital marketing is a considerate percentage of the total marketing spend going towards it. This journey, 20 years long, has its highs and lows, and I would like to thank all our customers, our team, most importantly the family who stood by us all these hard times, I must say, we have gone through. Similar is the journey for the IPO. When we started off, when we first went to Suhail and met him in November 21, the economy was doing not so good, but it was not, I must say it was bad. But it became bad to worst across these 18 months, and we had this small opportunity. So I pushed Suhail Bhai Kuji, this is the time and we should now go in the market. There would not be a better time. Again, these 22 months was hard for us, and I again would like to thank the regulators, PSX and SECP, top line team, as they guided us throughout and they supported us throughout. So I would like to thank you all, first of all, for all the support you have extended. This period, 20 years that we have spent, we started off very small, and today we are listed. This is a dream comes true for us. But this is not the end of the story. So this is the new growth phase that we are entering, and I am very hopeful that the plan we have presented to our investors will be able to execute that. We are going after the export market. We are trying to increase our export revenues, and I am very much confident that we will build the value for the stakeholders. We will be performing well in coming years, and we will be delivering the results. फारूक, आपने डिजिटल ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन की कुछ अभी आपसे डिस्कशन हुई, तो आई मस्ट से कि मैं अभी आपके हेड ऑफ एडवाइजर आपने नवीद साहब को हायर किया, कल से आपके पास ऑन बोर्ड आए हैं. उनसे आई वाज मीटिंग एंड आई सेड आई मस्ट सी यू सम टाइम, बिकॉज डिजिटल ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन इज समथिंग जहां PSX नीड्स टू वर्क, और उसको हम और बेहतर बना सकते हैं अगर हम अपने हैंड, दो वी आर ऑलरेडी प्रोवाइडिंग सम सर्विसेज टू PSX, द वेबसाइट ऑफ PSX इज बाय अस, बट ये कि इसको हम मजीद इंप्रूव करेंगे आपके साथ मिलकर प्रोसेस को. अगेन टीम, बिग शाउट आउट टू यू ऑल, एंड आई वुड लाइक टू क्लैप. आप लोगों ने 20 साल हमें बहुत सपोर्ट किया है, और I believe that you will keep on working with the same zeal, with the same energy, and we'll be able to do the next milestones quite sooner. ये 20 साल नहीं लगेंगे next milestones के अंदर. Soon we'll be listing outside Pakistan too. Thank you all. Thank you.
Thank you, Sarosh. I think Symmetry Group will definitely embody their slogan of possibilities transformed going forward. With that, I would like to invite Mr. Wasim Akram to the stage. He is the key celebrity investor, and this is the second time that he has visited the stock exchange. So over to you, Wasim.
Good morning and Assalamu alaikum everyone. It's good to be here after about, I think, 6-8 months, almost a year. I've heard, I've been reading, I follow news, because I'm a Pakistani, so I want to know what's happening with our economics. Obviously, everybody has been saying, and I can see as well, we're struggling a bit, but big congratulations to Sharos and his team when they came up to me about a year ago and explained what this company is and why they are going on IPO, and Umar also helped me a lot and his team. Future is digital. I mean, I travel the world. Fortunately, I don't have Pakistan cable in my house, fortunately, and I'm always on, I get everything digitally, and that's the future. Data is the future, interactive is future, commerce is future, and I think these guys came into the game about 20 years ago, yeah, like you said, and you introduced डिजिटल राइट्स क्या होते हैं, डिजिटल क्या फ्यूचर क्या है, एंड यू गाइस डिड इट, सो वेल डन। आपको, आपकी पूरी टीम को जिन्होंने बड़ी मेहनत की, ऑफ कोर्स टॉप लाइन उमर एंड हिज टीम, यू गाइस रियली वर्कड हार्ड, एंड लाइक आई सेड, डिजिटल इज द फ्यूचर, एंड नाउ everything is done, you guys are on IPO, mashallah, everything you've been sold, the hard work starts now. This is actually, it took you 20 years to be here, and like Sarosh said, it should take another 5. And you know what I've learned with my experiences in life, never ever be satisfied with your performance. On that particular day, performance doesn't mean cricket, sports, in general life. That doesn't mean you don't enjoy your performance or your success. Enjoy it on that day and then move on. Next day, tomorrow is a new day. And that performance you did yesterday is history. Focus present and plan the future. And that's my message to every one of you. So well done again. Congratulations, Heroes. And hopefully I'll be seeing you around. And you know, I'm excited to be part of it. Thank you.
I would like to call you back on stage again. We have to acknowledge people who have worked on bringing this IPO to reality, and for the same we'll be distributing a few mementos. So Wasim, you'll be the one handing out the mementos. So please come on stage. First name in the list is Mr. Farooq Khan, MD Pakistan Stock Exchange, to receive the memento. सर लिस्ट तो टॉप लाइन की तरफ से आई है।
It's good to have what's traditionally called a tombstone rather than a memento, so I think we should use the traditional language. Tombstone means that, you know, the deal is now buried and we can now move forward and look at the future.
Okay, so we'll use the word tombstone. So next is Ahmed Abbas, who is heading the listing department. Ahmed, please. With Ahmed, it is very important to actually not miss out the people who work in his team. Wasim Abdul Sattar in the listing department. Mohammed Suhail from Top Line Securities. Umar Salah Ahmed, Top Line Security. From the way the claps are coming, looks like he's a hero. Mr. Raza Perwani from Top Line. Han, Top Line Securities. From the Symmetry, the man with the vision. Adil Ahmed. Uzair Ahmed. Ayaz Ahmed. This is the Ahmed family? Wow. Do we have Musharraf Hai here? Miss Musharraf Hai, she hasn't joined us. There's a lawyer, Mr. Umair Wadhia. Is he here? Oh. Last but not the least, we would request Mr. Farooq Khan and Mr. Mohammad Suhail to please come on stage and hand over a tombstone to Mr. Wasim Akram for gracing this occasion and having confidence in the company as well. Members of Pakistan Stock Exchange to please come on stage for a group photo with the celebrity. And Saroj, please join us. We want you here on stage as well. Aaj to definitely. He'll be here.
निकालो।